Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified for my videos. So for today's video, I got a PR from AZUREBEAUTY Effortless Yourself Dip Powder Kit. Now this is their limited edition Christmas one. So 8 pieces, 12 grams, 4 pieces, 10 milliliters. So I would think that's the color, that's the activator and all that stuff, but we'll find out. So it has ingredients. It has directions. Use dip powder with dip powder gels in order. Please read the usage manual carefully before using. Keep away from heat, flame, and sunlight. They have a contact. They have all the warnings. So yeah, this is really, really cute. It is Christmassy, and I love me some Christmas. Let's get to it. I'm excited. Okay. So right off the bat, I see stickers. Okay. Is this the manual? Yes, here's the manual that I gotta read. They have their card here with some information. And right on top, I see these cute, cute stickers. Very, very adorable. Got a whole bunch of Christmas theme going on. Ooh, I really like the black and white. I love black and white. Ooh, and the black tree. Ooh, I like these. Cute, cute, cute. And then we have this one in just white. Snowman, snowflakes, stockings. So adorable. Really happy about those. Okay, and right here in the front, they talk about the color difference, how there be a slight color difference from, different light sources and screens. So they're just letting you know that. And here's the stuff. What's on the bottom here? Let's see. Okay. Ooh, cute. Got me some nice pink tweezers. Like that a lot. Comes with the little case. Very cute. Okay, so this is nice because they give you a nail file. Feels pretty strong. And then you get the extra brushes. You get 2 of them. So that's very cool. So I've seen that they can harden up very fast. I don't know why that happens. Okay, and here's the brush. I'm guessing this is to dust off the powder. Okay. So this would be where I put my finger and then, well, I guess the nail, right? You can go like that and dip it in. Ooh, they got a buffer. This comes with a lot. Very nice buffer. Okay, and you have the dip powder base, dip powder activator, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, dip powder gel top, number 4, dip powder brush saver. Okay. Take these all out. You get a lot of dip powders in here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, my love. Okay. So let's see. These are 12 grams. Ooh, sparkles. More sparkles. Okay, so we got us a red, a green. I'll be swatching all these also. A nice deep blue. Ooh, a dark black, I am thinking multicolored glitter dip powder. We've got a red glitter, gold glitter, silver glitter, and a white. This is really cool. I'm excited about this. Okay, so I'm gonna open all these up and we'll get to swatching. So here's all the colors. They are really, really beautiful and pigmented. Got a red glitter, the gold glitter, the silver holographic, the black glitter, and that red also has glitter. We got the green, the blue, and the clear. Already put on some full cover tips. That's what I'm going to use today. So I'm just going to use the buffer that came with the kit. I'm going to buff off the shine. Make sure you get the side walls and the free edge very well. Get off the shine from everywhere. Clean off that buffing dust and we're ready to go. So I'm going to start off, and all these jars have stoppers actually. So that's really, really good. So you don't get any spillage. So I'm going to start off with this, the clear with the red glitter. I'm going to use that as a base for most of my nails besides the ring finger. So you got to start off with number 1, the base. So I'm just going to coat that over my whole finger, and you got to make sure that you don't get it anywhere where you don't want that powder to stick. So just make sure you do it nice and clean around your cuticle and side walls. And then you want to dip it in really fast so this don't dry. You dip it in at a 45-degree angle. Make sure you get it all covered. And then I just push forward a little bit to make sure it gets the whole top. So in between your base coats, you're supposed to let it dry for 30 seconds, which definitely will happen because I'm going to do all these figures at once since obviously I'm using the same color. So again, you just put on the base and then you dip it into the jar at a 45-degree angle and you just keep on going. I switched it up to that silver glitter color and look at that. It is so beautiful. It covered so well. Really, really nice powders. So I just got my pinky and thumb left, which are both going to be the red glitter like the rest of the nails. And I do believe I did 3 coats of each color, just to make sure, you know, there was enough strength and I built up the color enough and all that. So I do that off camera as it's just, you know, the same steps over and over. You want to wait for it to dry, do the base, keep dipping until you're happy. Oh yeah, and don't forget to brush it off in between. All right, I got that all done. And now I'm gonna go in this gold glitter. I'm gonna do, you know, a little silver and gold Christmas action. So I'm just gonna ombre that on the tips. So, you know, I'm just gonna roughly put on this base and then dip it in the gold. Okay, so when you think you're done, then you apply the activator to all of your nails. And what this does is this hardens all the powder, so you'll be good for when it's time to file. So you want to get the whole nail, the side walls, and you want to also get that free edge to make sure that gets all nice and hard as well. So this has to dry for 60 seconds. It is just so satisfying seeing this red and gold come to life. So after this all dries up, then we're gonna get into filing and shaping. All those nails dried up, so I'm gonna go in with a hand file and I'm just gonna crisp up the shape, starting with all the side walls, get it nice and straight. Also, you don't want to forget about, you know, the underneath, because especially with dip powder, that can get a little bumpy and funky under there. So just make sure everything's nice and crisp. Do the free edge, work out near the cuticle. Got my filing and shaping done, and these are looking cute. So now you got to move on to step 3, which is the gel top. So this, like, you know, is a top gel, you know, to seal everything in. So it says to do 2 layers. So I'm just going to do 1 layer on all the nails, and look how pretty this looks. I really, really like these powders. They're so pigmented, nice and smooth. Really, really enjoyed working with these. So yeah, I'm just gonna put 1 layer of the top gel on every nail, and then you have to wait 60 seconds for it to dry. And then when I'm all done with that, I'm gonna come in with some of those stickers. I just want to use the colorful stickers that came in this kit, and I'm going to use the cute pink tweezers that came in the kit. So, you know, I'm just going to do some sticker placement, and I decided to go all out with these stickers because, you know, I don't normally, look how cute that snowman is. So yeah, I just went all out with these stickers. I usually don't go that route, but you know, if the kit fits, you do it. So I got those all done, and now I'm gonna take the gel top coat again, and this will be my coat number 2 that they say you should use, and I'm using that to seal in these stickers that I put on. So I was out of frame for like all of this, of course, but I have this sheet of adhesive rhinestones, and before that last gel top coat dried, I put some of these on all my nails because with that gel top and the adhesive on the back of these, you know, they should stick really well. So yeah, I just went ahead and put these on all my nails. So I'm really happy with how these came out. This was my first time doing dip powder. I think I did good. I love how the ombre came out. The shaping was good. This really wasn't hard to do. And yeah, I'm just really happy with this set. I think it's adorable. And thank you so much to AZUREBEAUTY for sending me their limited edition Christmas set to try out. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.